toolbar is this area on the top over here. You able to see my screen? There's a save button, there's this man, the symbol that is there, there are a few red symbols, the do and undo. This is called a quick access toolbar. And like the name suggests, what is the work of a quick access toolbar? To quickly access the tools. So if you remember what we did last time, we spoke about that these are the headers or these are the tabs that we have, and once you click on it, a ribbon opens. Inside the ribbon, we saw that various functionalities are there in Excel, like we worked with the font last time. Today we'll work with the alignments and the number formatting and so on and so forth. And there are various ribbons over here. Now, if there is any kind of tool or functionality that we are using on a very daily, which we are using on daily basis. So instead of going inside the tab, right? So for example, if I do, let's say, putting a percentage symbol, simple as that. If I want to put a percentage symbol, and this is something that I have to do very frequently. So instead of first going to the home tab in the ribbon, then going to the number group and then clicking on it, what I can do is I can right click and I can say add to quick access toolbar. So as soon as I do that, automatically it comes up over here. So I don't have to go to any ribbon anymore. All I have to do in the quick access toolbar, I can click on it and it works. So if I have a number, like for example, if I have 0.3, I have to just click over here, 30%. So that's a utility of a quick access toolbar, right? So what is quick access toolbar? It is a short form. The short form is QAT. It helps us to quickly access the most used tools of Excel, and it is located on this is left top of Excel workbook. All right. And when you want to remove the quick access toolbar, we do the same thing. We go over here, we right click, and then we can remove from the quick access toolbar. So you can add things in quick bar, you can remove the things from quick access toolbar. Is it clear? Until unless you remove it, it's going to be there. And one more thing. So you have to understand this quick access toolbar is your personal toolbar. If I email this workbook to someone, it's not that my quick access toolbar goes along with it. This is personal or this is specific to my Excel workbooks. Okay. And one more good thing about Excel is that, even though we have made it little shorter to use these tools by putting them in quick access toolbar, even there's a even more shorter way of accessing that. And what is that? You press the Alt key on your keyboard. So once you press the Alt key on your keyboard, you see numbers have come on the quick access toolbar as 1, 2, 4. So anything that I want to do, let's say if it was 25 and I wanted to change it into percentage, so I press Alt. As soon as I press Alt, I can see that there is number 4 on the percentage symbol. If I press 4, automatically I'm able to work with it. So I don't really have to remember a lot of functions. Or shortcuts. I don't have to go to a lot of, in different ribbons to different tool sites and, the groups that are there. I can quickly access over here, and there also I can use a shortcut.